Hi, my name is Havish Madhupati, and we have this Carney report with us, and I really like this. So we have eight icons, all representing a bank, and then one of these has been colored. And the big bold statement says that one in eight banks will face losses in 2020. Let us see how we can recreate something like this. So I'll just put it on the left side as a reference. We first want an icon, which would be insert icons. So I'll select something a little different. Let's say we want to target. Once we get the first one, we can just copy it two more times. Then I can copy it once again in different rows, remove one of these, and then put these in the center, right? So that looks great. We can also ungroup these two times so that all these colors are in our control. And I'll very smartly select the first one, and then in shape format, change the color to, in fact, I pick the same color using eyedropper that has been used in the Carney report. Once this is done, the others can be selected. So I'll just select all the others okay, except the first one. And these can be colored green. Excellent. After this, we can make a text box. I can write 1 in 8 targets. We can make it bold, increase the size a little bit, and then also use a more interesting font. So this is N8 targets. We can first change the font color to match the Carney report. And we can also change the font face to something a little different, maybe an Arial black. And then keep this on the right side. We can make another text box where we say, will not meet targets in 2020. And put this text box below the first one. And I'm just going to select my own company logo. So we can place our logo in the bottom right corner. Right? And I just add a border as well. So I'll make a rectangle, remove the shape fill, add a nice outline, picking it from my logo, and then also increase the weight, right? And as you can see, we get this wonderful Carney-like infographic that we have created in a few minutes.